Hello, my YouTube friend. Let's see, it's about 4 something I think right now, maybe 5, I'm not sure. I woke up today at like 2:15 I think. I went to bed at 5:45. Last night around 12 I felt a little tired. I thought I might try to go to sleep, but I knew if I went to sleep I would have only slept like 4 hours. So I decided to stay up, and I played some video games. I played some Magic the Gathering, and I played a little bit of Fortnite last night. And then at about 2 in the morning, I felt a little bit of energy. So I was like, you know what, let me try to get some work done. So I got all my accounting for the last 2 weeks done. I added everything up from the store sales. I put it into the software. And then I felt more burst of energy. So I actually started working on some of my patrons mystery boxes. I think I got 5 done. I have about 34 more that I have to catch up. I cut it off. I'm not doing Patreon anymore, so it's paused for April. Once I catch up with everything I owe people, I'm probably going to close it down and just focus on memberships. I'm still going to do mystery boxes if people want them, but only when people request them and not as like a monthly thing. That way people can send me their want list. I can see if I have stuff that they want, and if they do, I can make the mystery box. And if I don't, then I can't do it, and I'll just let them know. But this is only for members only, so I don't get too overwhelmed. Today's Sunday, so Sunday is usually a sort of busy day. I have had a few people lined up. We tried to push them to later in the day just so that I was awake. I had one guy who contacted me last week to sell, and I had told him to come that day, you know, at 6 or whatever. He didn't show up. He did show up when we opened today at noon, but I was in the shop because I was sleeping. That's the thing. You have to make an appointment if you want to sell to me, because if you randomly show up, I might either already be dealing with a lot of things I'm buying from people, or I might not be in the shop. I would like to be in the shop all the time, but like I've been telling you the last few videos, my sleep schedule is very weird. And we're going through it right now. It's probably going to be a week of me waking up a little bit later each day as I cycle through it, so it's going to be really hard. I do have a few collections coming in. I think Nicola's bringing a big collection in on Tuesday at noon. So that one, I might try to push myself to wake up a little bit earlier because it's like a $7,000 collection. It's going to be crazy. But things are selling. All right, let's go in the shop and start buying some stuff. I have a small trade in here from Chris. We got the Bugs Bunny LeBron James set, Michael Myers, Nightwing, Miles Morales, and Red Rain Batman. Cool stuff. He's trading for the signed Batman and a couple other pops. I'm here with Johnny, pop out of the box.
Hey guys.
You sold to me a whole bunch of times.
Yeah.
And he's always got the greatest stuff. So this is gonna be fun today.
Yes.
All right. You just want cash today, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we're just gonna go home. I'm gonna give him a price. All right. Let's dig through it. Okay. I have these. Was it 7 Teeny Ghost? These are super cool. I'm so tempted to keep them. That one's signed by the creator. They're super neat, but yeah, I'm gonna sell them. I'm probably gonna sell them for like 40, 45 each. Super cool. Okay, here's the rest of the stuff from Johnny. We have the really cool Black Widow Chase, which I think I need that one. The DC Shop exclusive Diana Prince, limited to 4,500 pieces. That one I'm going to keep because that one is super awesome, and I don't think I'll be able to get it again easily. Kid Flash Chase, Red Hulk, this Tech 63 figure. It's like a Ronald McDonald mashup. Really cool figure. That one I think I put 50 on. A couple Marvel Legends. I don't get these often, but I do buy Marvel Legends. If you have a collection, I pay the same percentages on them as I do with Pops. So 2 really cool ones. I love those. The Vision from WandaVision, that's cool. The Super Saiyan Trunks autographed one. I have $100 on it. I think that's a fair price. Just really cool pop though. I'm sure that'll sell pretty quickly. Flash Gordon, that one's cool. Cool old one. Vegan Police. The Sleeping Beauty 3-pack, I need that one, but I'm going to sell it for now. Sigmund, absolutely love that one. Ghostbuster Mike, that box is completely damaged, so I have it cheap for $7. Hoppy the Hopperoo, the Toucan mascot. I'm getting a lot of these. I might have to start paying a little bit cheaper just because I feel like I'm getting a little overloaded. Baby Puss, Sergeant Blast, and the Winter Soldier. So yeah, lots of cool stuff. I'm going to put this stuff away, and then I think I might work on Cheyenne stuff some more. Okay, Jason just had a little trade in. Lots of fun stuff. Really cool Iceman, Diamond Patch. Funtime Foxy. It's nice to have a Five Nights at Freddy's pop because everyone's asking. That one would sell pretty quick. Michael Myers. Always good to have the classic horror guys. Logan, The Mandalorian with Grogu. I love that one. I don't have that one yet. Donatello. The box is a little bit damaged, but I'm sure someone who's an out-of-the-box collector will want it. This Amazing Daredevil. I have not seen this yet. I kind of want to keep that one, but it's going to be for sale for now. A Rocket Raccoon, the really cool glow-in-the-dark Blue Beetle, Hellboy with sword, Magneto, Soldier Supreme, Dean, and Doctor Strange Supreme. Really cool pops. I have a customer buying a giant pile of DVDs. Really awesome movies. It makes me really happy when I see movies sell, just because I love old media. Awesome. All right, so over here, it looked as chaotic as yesterday, but my wife just organized it, so it looks a lot better. This is awesome. She pulled out 4 empty boxes. She had pulled out 4 empty boxes, which I'm using for some trades today, but that means we sold 120 pops or so the last couple days. That's awesome. It feels like we're overloaded, but stuff is moving. Okay, so I was about to work on Cheyenne stuff to get some more done, and Dave, guess what? I have a Frankenberry for you, so that's going to be on hold for you. It's almost 6 o'clock, so we have about an hour and a half before we close. So I'm just going to try to crank out as much of Cheyenne's collection. Hopefully I can get done tonight. If not, I'm going to have to finish tomorrow morning. Well, tomorrow afternoon probably. But I'm going to do another time lapse as I just crank through this stuff. Okay, I got another like box and a half done of Cheyenne stuff. I still have 2.5 boxes there in the big box. I'm gonna work on that tomorrow. I don't have anyone lined up for tomorrow, so hopefully I can get through the rest of that. I just want to be done with him and get him paid by tomorrow. Let's see. My wife picked up the area over here, so there's not too much of a mess. Tomorrow we're gonna sort a little bit and organize the shelves a bit. I think tonight I'm going to go through all my patrons' want list and try to get as many boxes done in the next couple days. I just want to be done with that because it's cluttering up my office and I can't film overnight. And I would like to be able to film some comic hauls if I can, or just some comic videos or other content that I can do while everyone's sleeping. My brain is a little bit out of it right now, but that's fine. It's just been a long day. I think that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.